Okay, let me put it this way. A portfolio is a collection of your samples. So if you have, say, 5 samples, you can put together that into something presentable and you call it, that's my portfolio. Yeah. But the question is, if you have more samples, how do you choose what to include and what to exclude? Now, what you need to do. You need to select writing samples that showcase your best work and demonstrate your range as a writer. You know, as a writer, there's some work that I write and I feel like, okay, here I think I did some good work here, and here I think I failed a little bit. Now, what you need to include in your portfolio are the ones that you feel good about, yeah? And of course, these are your best work, and of course, they should demonstrate your range as a writer. You need to consider the type of the client also when you're putting together a portfolio. Of course, you need to consider who you want to attract, and then of course choose samples that are relevant to the industry. So let's say I'm a freelance writer focusing on creating blog posts. Yeah. So if I'm creating blog posts, for example, for so say I have approached say our posting company, and I normally write for, say, e-commerce website blog post or marketing blog post. Now here is a web posting client who wants, to see my samples. What I should do, instead of sending them the say e-commerce blog post or marketing blog post, I need to send them articles or blog posts that I've written in their industry. That's web posting industry. Yeah. So if I don't have those writing samples, I can put together, using the previous lesson that we looked at, I can put together quickly those samples and then, of course, create a portfolio and then send them. The thing is, your portfolio should be relevant to the client. Yeah. So don't send the same portfolio to everyone. That won't get you hired. Yeah. So if you are applying to, say, a health and wellness website, don't send them something about marketing. That's not relevant to them. Yeah. Send them something about health and wellness that you've written before. Yeah. If you've never written in the industry and you want to score them, you can put together a quick portfolio or a quick sample and then send it to them.